Is it possible for newbies to trade on pocket option? And what newbies have to know to earn money on pocket option? Hi, my name is Camila, and today I'm gonna tell you important things to earn on pocket option when you're just starting. First of all, you should not put all of your capital on the pocket option and all the trading. You should be careful with that. Second of all, you should not trade with quick deals. No deals for 5 seconds or 15 seconds. Even I am very experienced person in the pocket option. I'm using trades for 1 minute, and you can see that on my screen. And also you cannot change the time of the candles because it's very important too. And if you put the candles for 5 seconds, 10 seconds or 15, you just could not catch the moment. So when you just start, it's okay to have a candles for 1 minute or for 30 seconds. It's very important because they're easier to catch. Also, it's very important to not to fall into learning all the technical analysis, because it's a million technical analysis on the pocket option, and while you're learning them, some of the people learn just one and already earning money. So today I'm going to show you some technical analysis and how to work with them. Let's start as usual. We're gonna choose the assets with the biggest payouts as much as possible to fit in our screen to change between them easily. And then we're gonna have the candles for 30 seconds, and we're gonna have the indicators, oscillator and SSY, and we're gonna change them for the comfortable situation on the market. Change the style, don't forget to put the save on, and let's continue. Let's start trading. So we have this interesting situation for 10 seconds. I think it's gonna go downwards, so let's see why I decided that it's gonna go downwards. We can see on oscillator that there's not a lot of buyers on the market. That the first technical analysis that I use, that's not a lot of buyers of this asset on the market. And also the SSY showing us exactly the same thing, that's still not a lot of buyers and they are running away a little, that you can see with the curves that they went along. And that the first technical analysis that you should use with the oscillator and SSY. You can understand the relations between buyers and the sellers of this asset, so you can see that the buyers went away, and also the oscillator showing us that it's not a lot of buyers here, and we guys had a profit. And I think this is wonderful because of technical analysis. You can earn just in a few seconds. Already we earned $150. I think this great. Okay, and let's move next. We have 3 more technical analysis like here. Let's see, we have this interesting situation, but I think it's gonna go downwards. Let's wait till the candle gonna close up, and I still think it's gonna go downwards. And now I will explain you why. This is the second technical analysis that we use, and let's see. We had the line for the maximum right there, so it went upwards till the maximum line. Here it's gonna go downwards till this moment too. It was somewhere here. We have the maximum minimum strategy of technical analysis, and when you see that the price had beaten the maximum moment on the line, so it growed statistically periodically and it went to the highest moment, so then it going downwards, and it's very understandable and it's very easy technical analysis on this moment. So that one of the easiest one, and of course we having a profit. That's amazing, I think. So this is one of the easiest. You see the maximum and the minimum line, and you can see that all over the lines. You can see it here. Okay, so you still have this thing here, and here you can see that things. So I think it's very understandable and it's very easy to work with. And let's move to the third technical analysis. Even if you work with a maximum minimum situation, you're still watching on the indicators and everything else, but it's technical analysis. It's not the one thing, it's not the strategies that you use just by themselves. Technical analysis, you can use 3 or 5 or 4 technical analysis in one trading deal, and it will work in combo with the indicators, so it will be very important. First thing, I watch on the screen and seeing what's happening on the candle, and I look at the screen and the candles very closely, then I look at the escalator and the SSY, what's happening with the buyers and the broken lines that we have. You see broken lines and SSY and curves, and then I'm gonna explain that later. And then I see what's happening with the maximum or minimum zone and so on. Okay, let's move and let's see what's happening on other markets. Well, I want to find the situation that I can explain to you from the technical analysis. Well, this one is a great. Let's wait till the candle close up because I think it's gonna work. Okay, we're waiting a little bit again because that is a movement, that is very nice picture that I want to show you. I understand what's happening on the market, so just few seconds and I'm gonna explain to you why I'm waiting. Okay, let's go. The third technical analysis that you use is the technical analysis of the curves. You see curve, 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 and then it's gonna make the curve here, and also you can see the picture of these curves on the SSY. It's gonna show as a very broken lines and not very stable one. You see here's a curve, here's a curve. Curve, it's not very sudden situation curve, it's very smooth situation that goes for a long time. When you have the curve, why I was waiting? Because I was waiting for the moment of the curve. Now it's gonna go slowly and smoothly and periodically going downwards to this area to make the curve again. So this is the third moment that we're learning, of course. And we have the profit. That's easily. You see technical analysis and no magic. Okay guys, let's continue and make the last move, last technical analysis. So let's see what's happening here on the market on different assets. Well, I like this situation. Let's wait till the candle gonna close up, but I think it's gonna go downwards anyway. So let's see. The last technical analysis that I use, that is a zone analysis. So let's stop. You can work with that very easily. You can see for this timing that the zone where the price was working, where it was stable, and this is a zone where all the prices went downwards. So when you have the moment where the price is higher or lower of this line, so it's gonna go downwards back to this area because of stable prices and stable buyers on this area. So we already had a profit because of this technical analysis, but you should understand that thing. And the one thing that I want to tell you about technical analysis is that use them in combinations first of all, and sometimes you use some technical analysis only in some certain situations because not everywhere you have the curves or not everywhere you have the maximum minimum, but you can find it everywhere. So that is very important for you to understand which technical analysis where to use, or maybe use the combination of them all in with the indicators and so on. And I hope it's gonna help you. Always don't forget about my Telegram channel where I give the free signals for you. I hope my channel gonna help you to earn stable money on the pocket option. Bye bye, my name is Camila and I'm happy to see you on my channel.